Good afternoon. This is an open collaboration, Thrifted Creations. It is hosted by the Grace Life, DIY home decor, and more. So come along with me as I show you my thrifted item. And we were to revamp, redo a used item. So what I have here is an old lantern that I had on my top deck. I decided to revamp it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up because it's really dirty and has a lot of gunk inside of it. In fact, a candle melted inside. It was one of those candles that you cannot keep outside. So I'm going to take that out and paint it, and this is what it looks like once I was finished with it. I painted it gray. I left the top black. I put some fairy lights inside of it and a candle on each side. I added a little planter from the Dollar Tree. And so my old lantern is now new. I will be leaving the Grace Life DIY decor information in my description box. Stop over and check out her channel.